Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. This video is for installing a database, Oracle. It's totally free, provided by Oracle company. Before installing Oracle database, you should have an account on Oracle. If you have an account, then directly go to sign in option. Otherwise, create an account option. After clicking create an account, you just type oracle.com on web browser, or you just on Google you can also search oracle.com. This website will come. After that, there are various cloud account and Oracle account. You just go to, if you want to install Oracle, then directly go to sign in option, or if you have account, otherwise create an account. After clicking create account, this page will come. Fill this form, all the necessary things: email id, password, and name, job title, work phone. After filling this form, just go and again sign in. After sign in, this page will come. Then click on resources. After clicking on resources, this page will come. After this, click on resource, this page will come. Then this, you can see there are various things are here. You want to install Oracle software, just go and click on Oracle downloads or software downloads. By clicking software downloads, this page will come. After this, just click on database. After clicking database, this page will come. You can see here there are various versions of database. Oracle database is there: Oracle 9c, Oracle 8c, Oracle 12c, Oracle 11g, and there are various types of database also available. NoSQL database is available, MySQL database is available. Now in this video I am installing a Oracle database 11g. By clicking on this Oracle, this page will come. You can see there are various operating systems and the files. Now I have a operating system 64-bit Windows 10, so there are this option is for me. If you have 32-bit, then choose another option. If you have different operating system, then choose another option. Now I have operating system Windows 64-bit operating system. Here you can see there are two files, file 1 and file 2. The total space is 2 GB. You have to download both the file. First download file 1 and then file 2. After clicking file 1 and file 2, download one by one. Here in download folder, I have this 2 zip file is there. 11G database 1 of 2, 11G database 2 of 2. Now be sure that if you extract these two files, extract in same directory. First extract the 1 of 2, then extract 2 of 2 in same directory. After extracting both of this folder will automatically come. Database folder will made. After then click on this database folder. After clicking on database folder, this page will come. Here you select setup or click on setup. After clicking setup, this page will come automatically. It will take some time, 1 or 2 minutes. After that, this will come. Just wait. After this page will come. Now you can see here there are various options. Select any of the following. Install option is there. There are 3 options: create and configure a database, install database software only, upgrade an existing database. Now in my system there is no any database, so I want to install new database. So I select this option, install database software only, and click on next. After click on next, there is also 2 options are there: single instance database or real application cluster database installation. Now I am using single instance database installation. Just select this option and click on next. After this page will come, the available language and selected language. The English is by default language. So after this, click on next. After this page will come enterprise edition. There are the different editions of software. Oracle enterprise edition, standard edition and personal edition. I am installing standard edition. So select this option and click on next. After this page will come where you want to actually install your database. If you want to change the location, you can change, otherwise it will automatically take. Then click on next. After this page will come after finish. Now after clicking on finish, this page will come and this will take 15 to 20 minutes for installing whole product. First it will configure security update, after that installation option, after that grid installation option, after product language, then database edition, installation location, prerequisite checks, summary, and after that install product. It will take some time. After that it will automatically come. The installation of Oracle database was successful. Now if you are installing a database, it may be asked you to configure a listener. So how to configure a listener? Just go to the folder, database folder, or you can, if you don't recognize the folder, just click on search bar SQL and open file location, then you can see this thing. After that click on Net Configuration Assistant. By clicking on Net Configuration Assistant, this will come. Then add, check add, then next. After you just name the listener, or by default listener will come. After this next. After this page will come, then click on next. This is the use of a standard port number. If you are using single then it will by default 152121 is the port number, or you can use another port. This standard port number is 1521. Then click on next. Listener configuration completed. Then next, then finish. Now how to configure a database assistant? Just go to again the folder, installed folder of Oracle, then click on configure and migration tool folder. After this page will come, then click on next. Then there are the various options are there. Select the operation that you want to perform: create a database, configure database option, delete a database, manage database. Now there is no any database in my system, so I choose this, create a database, then click on next, then click on next. Now you should name your database. This is the database name. You can write your name of the database. Now I am writing my database name. Just click on next. Here you can see after that this page will come. Use different administrative password. If you are knowing database or know SQL, then you also know the role of database administrator. These are the database DBA accounts, basically sys, system, DB, SNMP and sysman. These are the different by default database administrator account. You can write a password or create a password for each account, or you can create a same password for all accounts. I am using same password for all accounts. Just click on use the same administrative password for all accounts, then click on next. This page will come. After this select next. After this click on next. After this page will automatically come, then finish. Now your Oracle software database is installed in your system. So how to check whether it's working or not? Just go to search bar and type SQL. It will come SQL plus. Click on SQL plus. It will come. After that, enter the username and the password. After entering the username, as in earlier page, the sysword administrative account, DBA account, I am using sys, and enter the password. Password space as DBA. To how to write a password for administrative account, DBA account, you just enter the name of DBA account. For example, sys is a DBA account, sys, and enter the password. If my password is Apple, then Apple, write Apple space as space sys DBA. After writing a password for this account, now connected to Oracle database 11G. Now you can use your database, the installed. After this, the next video is for basic SQL and PL SQL command. This will I will discuss later. Thank you for watching.